Hi, my name is Joanne. This is my studio. I've been in Sugarloaf for over 20 years, almost 25 years now. And I do everything from soup to nuts with glass. I do etching, I do stained glass leaded work, I do copper foil, I do painting on glass, which is my real specialty because I do a lot of restoration work. And I have classes. And my wonderful students, I call them my sun puppies. Okay, right here I have a panel that was given to me by some nuns that I did some work for on Staten Island. And this particular panel didn't match anything they had, so they gave it to me and I fixed it up, I repaired it, and it's for the Virgin Mary. This is a thornless rose. I forget what it's called, but it represents her. So I put it all back together and everything's fine, so it's almost ready to go. This is a piece from probably turn of the century. It's very Art Nouveau-ish. And I have to make 3 of those for somebody. This is just a regular run-of-the-mill fill-in window that you see in a lot of old houses. Oh, and I'm going to make another window like this one. See the one with the magnolias on it? I'm going to make that for somebody soon. That's a drawing for a church window that I did for somebody in Pennsylvania. And it's supposed to be John the Baptist.